Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can turn on incognito mode in the 4 most popular web browsers in your Doogee V Max. So the first one, how you can see, is Opera. So in this web browser you have to click here, oh sorry about that, on the taskbar icon, tap on the private and add a tab. Simple. Okay, the next one, Microsoft Edge. Like before, click on the tab icon in private and add the plus. The next one is Google Chrome. In this web browser, just click here on the 3-dot icon or arrow icon and choose new Incognito Tab. And the last one, Mozilla Firefox. Sorry, I have to find it. Sorry. Oh, there is it. Okay. And if you have this welcome screen, just click here on the Zora tab, Zora icon, or click on the taskbar icon, switch to Zora, and click on the plus private. And in the Incognito mode, your history, completed forms, cookies from the websites, even the words from the keyboard will be not saved. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.